Hey guys, we've made a big improvement to our videos. We finally figured out that adding music to them would probably make them a lot better. So the next video tutorial will have quantum jazz playing in the background. But seriously, this is probably what all these lessons have been culminating towards, getting this application to work on a mobile phone. So our next video tutorial is going to show you just how to do that. You can start with basically nothing and then end with an application that's going to work on iOS and Android. Since it's kind of hard for me to demonstrate the demonstrate the functionality from the command line, I'm just going to show you a short snippet of the tutorial video and what you'll be building at the end.
So if you want to make sure that you're getting the right image, I'm going to stick my hand up now and I'll take the picture again. So just took the picture and I have a new state. And you can see I stuck my hand up for the test. So I know that's a new picture. Also, you can see the increment here. This is 109 and this is 108. So within a short amount of time, we're able to take the Dart scripts that we wrote in the previous tutorial, exact same file name, state.dart, no modifications at all, and we dropped it into the Flutter project here. We hooked it into a button and it works.